still hasn't forgiven Rob for forgetting their anniversary. She brings it up every time they have an argument. Notice that this expression is similar to be used to something, to be accustomed to or familiar with something. After 2 months of the new job, Gary is finally used to waking up an hour earlier.
It's bigger.
This expression is used, often ironically, to mean that some outcome is logical the whole time we're here. But many things went wrong and they lost a lot of money. They have been burned before.
To eye something up.
To look at, examine, or consider visually. Another couple is looking at the house too. They're eyeing the place up.
To chop at the bit.
Right.